My name is Sadli, welding technology student SMK 2 Banda Aceh. I will teach how to TIG welding machine and operated. Please note. Number 1, check the power cord to connection. Open the argon gas valve. Adjust working pressure of argon gas 6 psi. Connect to negative cable to a TIG welding machine. Matiin nih Pak.
Terusin, pegang.
Matilah dulu Pak.
Connect to positive cable gas hose and switch flow setting. Pins negative. Turn on TIG welding machine and like set the current for welding. Pins negative clamp to a welding table. Switch to work piece to welding table. Welding touch directed to the weld piece and press the button on the touch to the welding process. Let us try to do the welding.
Ini keluar lah.
Yes, this is TIG welding process by Muhammad Sadli, welding technology student SMK 2 Banda Aceh. Thank you.